Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we just want to talk about ethical consideration with respect to business writing. Since we are talking about how we can use ChatGPT for business writing purposes, it becomes extremely important for us to understand the ethical consideration which we need to have while doing so. So there are four different reasons for which we are looking at this. So which is transparency, fairness and discrimination bias, privacy and safety. So what we mean by this is like in transparency, if you are using ChatGPT for writing content, which is for business. Now this can be for different reasons, right? So one can be where you are using ChatGPT to write the content which is for your business. So in such a case, you need to be transparent with your audience, with your client that this content which is written is AI generated. Otherwise, it is difficult for us to, it is important that when we are doing any type of content creation, writing content creation with ChatGPT, okay, this kind of transparency should be maintained because that is where you are being able to truthful to your customers about what kind of content are they looking at. So very important that we are maintaining this and throughout, see, the idea is that we are not going to generate the complete written content with the help of the tool. We are going to customize it, add our own flavor to it as well, and make it a better content at the end. So the intent is that even if we are using ChatGPT for writing content, we should remain as transparent as possible with our customers. The second aspect is fairness and discrimination bias. So these AI tools are built out in certain manner wherein it might be biased or towards certain things. Okay, so we have to make sure that when we are taking content from them, we are generating content with the help of these platforms, we are removing all of that. The final content which is going to get published should be fair enough and there should not be any discrimination happening on the content. So look out for that. We are not going to just blindly take up the content given by the tools because there can be scenarios of biases being created, discrimination being happening on the content, which we should not ignore. And we should be looking at that and we need to neutralize it. Neutralize it, modify the content so that it remains fair. It is unbiased content which you are providing to your audiences. The other aspect is these AI tools, since they are connected to internet and they're pulling up information from the internet to share it with you, there can be a lot of personal information can be shared as well, okay, which we have to again control over here. Okay, we have to make sure we are maintaining the privacy of our users. Okay, no personal information is shared when we are picking up content from these kind of AI tools. We are going to proofread the content carefully and delete and remove any kind of personal information being shared through these tools. And the last one is going to be safety, wherein, again, the idea is we need to draw a clear line of how we are making use of these AI tools. Okay, there can have seen a lot of scenarios in the past where AI tools can be used for dangerous ish products, things which can be done with it as well and built out as well. So we need to make sure that we are maintaining the safety as well. When we're using these tools, we are being very careful about how we are, what kind of prompts and what kind of information we are generating with it, and what are the outcomes of it. Okay, to maintain and safeguard the safety of our users, we have to make sure that the kind of content being created does not hammer that. So in this manner, guys, we have to look at while business writing, ethical considerations should be there before you start writing any kind of content for your business or for your clients. I hope this makes sense. You understand this and you keep these in mind while you're generating those prompts, generating written content through these AI tools and use them in your business. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.